Hello, this is Mr. Stansbury. I'm going to take you through the notes on the area of a triangle. At the end of this, you should be able to say, I can find the area of non-right angled triangles. Okay, so first thing, how to label triangles. We normally label angles with capital letters, so capital A, and then across from that angle, the side of a triangle would be lowercase a. So across from big B is little b, across from big C is little c. Okay. Also, area of a triangle. Area is 1/2 base times height. Okay? Now, we will often have angles and sides of a triangle, but not the actual height. So we need, in order to use this formula here, we need the base, which in this case would be CB, and then we also need the height, which would be AD. Okay? So, if we label everything here. So here across from big C is little c, across from big B is little b, across from big A is little a, this whole thing here. We're just calling that point D. We know that the base here is going to be side A, this right here. The height is going to be H. Okay. Now, here's the cool thing. So like, let's say here is sine of C. So we're going to call this is going to be our angle. Okay. So sine of C is the hypotenuse, the opposite side over the hypotenuse. So in this case, the opposite side is H and the hypotenuse is B. So the sine of C, angle C, is going to be H over B. Okay. Now, if we multiply both sides by B here, so if we just did this, multiply by B, these B's go away, and we just simply have H equals B sine C. So here it is, H equals B sine C. Okay. So we could also write the area formula as, instead of 1/2 base times height, we know that the base in this case is going to be A. So 1/2 of A, the base, and then the height is going to be the sine of this angle. So sine of C, angle C, sorry. So we've got the height is going to be B. Let's just go straight with our formula here. Height is going to be B sine C. So what we're going to do is we're going to replace this height here with B sine C. Okay, so that just goes right into that spot. This height here is B sine C. So the area is 1/2 of AB sine of C. So if you have an angle, and then we know, if we know the two, let's see, A and B, if we know the angle and the two sides that include that angle, that make up that angle, then we can find the area of that triangle, even if it's not a right triangle. Okay, so let's do this. Oh, sorry, we have another way to look at that is, in case you didn't if you had like an obtuse triangle like this instead, this will still work. Base is still going to be A, height is still going to be this H here. So really basically what it does is it's the sine of the this angle right here is going to be 180 degrees minus whatever this angle C is here. So there's our sine of 180 minus C here. Okay, is going to be the height over, in this case here, the base. Okay, sorry, the height over side B, not necessarily the base. Okay, so anyway, ends up being the same thing. Area is 1/2 AB sine C. Area is 1/2 AB sine C.